Hey, push past negativity. You're capable of achieving greatness with resilience and passion.